Firestone Building Products presents Contractor E-Training, EPDM Curb Wrap. Install an approved Firestone base tie-in at the transition between the field and curb. Apply EPDM bonding adhesive to the back of the EPDM curb flashing and the curb. Avoid getting bonding adhesive in the seam area of the curb wrap and on the field. Start by applying the curb wrap to one side of the curb. Keep the curb wrap tight to the curb and work your way around, applying the rest of the wrap. Cut the excess curb wrap that will be used to create the vertical lap splice. Cut the excess vertical lap at a 45-degree angle. Mark where the field lap splice will be placed. Tack the lap to the curb using primer to expose the surface for lap splice preparation. Apply single-ply quick prime primer to both sides of the seam. Apply quick seam splice tape onto the field using the marks made earlier. Roll the splice tape to ensure proper adhesion. Remove the release paper and place the curb wrap onto the splice tape. Roll the entire splice area to ensure that a proper seam has been created. Mark where the vertical splice will be created. Prime both sides of the seam for the vertical splice. Apply splice tape onto the curb wrap using the marks created earlier. Roll the splice tape to ensure proper adhesion. Remove the release paper and place the rest of the vertical seam onto the splice tape. Roll the entire vertical seam area to ensure a proper splice has been created. Firestone Building Products. Nobody covers you better.